Hello, and welcome to this training session. First, we will see why Enquiry module is essential for businesses. The Enquiry module streamlines inventory management for businesses. By conducting scans and utilizing RFID or barcode technology, it provides real-time visibility into asset locations, enhances efficiency with quick audits, and enables proactive decision-making by identifying discrepancies promptly. With centralized data and easy email integration, it ensures accurate records and empowers businesses to optimize operations efficiently. In today's video, I'll guide you through the Enquiry module within our RFID application. Once logged into the RFID app, navigate to the Enquiry section from the dashboard. Select your desired location for the Enquiry, then proceed by clicking the Continue to Scan button. Within the screen, you'll encounter three options. 1. Single scan. 2. Multi-scan. 3. Barcode or QR code scan. Utilizing your handheld device, you can perform single or multi-scans. Even without an RFID tag or device, you can conduct the Enquiry using the barcode or QR code scan feature. For this demonstration, I'll be utilizing the barcode or QR code scan option. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll notice the admin portal with several items listed from the central warehouse location. Let's begin scanning them one by one. The last few assets I've opened don't correspond to the central warehouse location. Following each scan, you'll find three tabs. 1. Valid assets. Assets confirmed to belong to the selected location. 2. Missing assets. Assets yet to be found or scanned in that location. 3. Extra assets. Assets discovered in this location during the scan, but system records show them located elsewhere. You'll have the option to move these assets by selecting them from the Extra tab and clicking the Move button. Each tab offers an edit option, allowing you to update asset information. To remove missing assets from this location, simply check the respective checkbox. For emailing the Enquiry details to a specific address, click on the Email button, input the email addresses, and then click Save. Once you've completed the scan and wish to save the Enquiry, click on the Save button. Thank you for watching this training session. We hope this guide helps you efficiently use the Enquiry module in our RFID application. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Have a great day.